fabulous four-fingered freak. Just finishing off another breakfast. That's right. Now, as you can see, I got my super cool Pepsi blue beach hat right here on my super cool head. And I have a very special message for all of you fans. Everybody out there is going to see this video. The freak is going to offer this hat personally autographed by me. And I'm going to ship it out to somebody out there. And who that person is going to be is up to you guys. That's right. The freak is doing his first official fabulous four-fingered freak sweepstakes. Now, here's what you gotta do to have a chance to win the super cool Pepsi blue beach hat personally autographed by the freak. I want you guys to talk to all of your friends, all of your family members, everybody around you about me, and I want them to subscribe to my channel and watch all of my videos. And as soon as the freak reaches 100 subscribers, I will ship this baby out to somebody out there, to one lucky winner. And that's it. That's all you guys have to do. Is tell all your friends, all your family members to watch my videos, subscribe, very important. And as soon as the Freaks channel reaches 100 subscribers, this baby will belong to one of you guys. Now, have at it, have fun, be safe out there, and drink Pepsi Blue. That's right. See ya, baby.